and welcome to another episode of Tips, Review, and Tutorial. If you are new to my channel, please do subscribe and hit the bell all so you'll get notified every time I upload videos on app reviews, tech tutorials, teaching tips, and reading readiness. Hello, good morning. So today I'm going to walk you through my online teaching tutorial. So we are going to use, this is actually my first time using my own book to teach reading through online tutorials. So follow me as we go through the process of online teaching. So this is going to be really quick, but you'll learn a lot on how you're going to do teaching reading to toddlers. So my client for today is a 3-year-old. He is currently based in the United States, so we have a big time difference. It's a 30-minute session, but we're just gonna walk through all the process. So today we are going to teach an easy way for kids to remember the 5 vowel sounds.
Okay, so when you get the big apple, you're going to do it like this. Apple. Okay, so this is gonna be our symbol for apple. Do this. Follow teacher like this. Apple. Okay, next. So A is for like eating an apple. Next one. What letter is that? It's a smiling E. So when you say the sound of the letter E, you also have to smile like this. Go. Follow teacher Bell. Like this. Say the sound of E. Like a smiling face. That's true? Did you say that's true? Next.
I'm gonna drool.
You're gonna drool. Okay. What letter is that?
What is it?
What letter is that first? I. Do you know whose eyes are those on the letter I?
You guys?
No, that's the eyes of an insect. And do you know that an insect is itchy like this? Scratch your face. Scratch like this. E for itchy. Itchy. Okay, E. Next. How about that one? What letter is that? Oh, look at Teacher Bell's mouth. Huh? Open your mouth when you say the sound of O. Open your mouth. Very good. Open your mouth to eat the orange. And the last one, this is U. And what's the sound of U? Put your hands like this. Let's make a big U up in the sky. There you go. We're going to catch the rain because it's raining. We need an umbrella. Okay, so umbrella. Okay, now let's start with the letter A. Apple. A. Next, A. Like a smiling E. E, itchy. E. This one. E.
Is that the eye?
Yes, the sound of I is itchy. Okay, next. O. Okay, and the last one. Last one. What's this?
U.
What's the sound of U? No. What's the sound of U? Do the action. Put your hands up high. Catch the rain because it's raining. You need a what? Umbrella. Okay, so A, E, O, Your hand. Okay, very good. That's the big U. Those are the 5 vowels. Now, let's...
A. What's the sound of A? A? Like you're eating an
Apple.
oh, okay. Let's draw. I'm going to apple. 1, 2, 3, go. Okay, next. What letter is this?
E.
Letter E.
Letter
When you see the sound of E, you're supposed to be smiling. A, A, for what?
egg.
Egg. Good job. I am so proud of you, Lucas. Now draw a line going to the letter from E to egg. 1, 2, 3, go. Perfect. Okay, and the last one is letter what? What letter is it?
Octopus.
U. And what's the sound of U?
You.
No. Catch the rain because they're what? We need a what? Umbrella. So the sound of U is, say that again. Umbrella. Okay. Point your finger to letter U. Going to umbrella. 1, 2, 3, go. There you go. Yay. Good job, Lucas. Very good. You want another one?
There you go, Lucas has 2 stickers already. Look at mine, Lucas. These are your sticker on my computer. Okay? Are you ready to say goodbye now, Lucas? Okay. See you later, alligator. There's the alligator, Lucas. Alligator. Okay, bye, Lucas. You were really good today.